Hey, what's up guys? Today's video I'm going to show you how you can open CR download file in your Windows 10 or 11. So CR download file is basically a download that was not finished. Maybe you paused it or maybe the connection got interrupted. If you would like to view the file, all you have to do is come into the browser where you usually download file. Press Ctrl and J. It will lead you to your browser where you will see all the files that you are trying to download. Now in my case, as you can see that I have just paused this. As you can see, this is paused right here. If I go and open my file explorer, you will see I have the CR download right here. Even if I try to open it, it will not be opened because I have paused my download right here. Now you're going to have to simply resume your download or simply cancel this like this and open the browser, re-download the file here again. If you select resume and if it gets, downloaded in your PC, then you will be able to see the file right here and you can open it easily. So this is how it's done, guys. Thank you for watching.